Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add color only to specific areas on photos in EPIK photo editor. So here I'm already on EPIK and I'm going to just start by clicking on start editing and choose the photo that I want to edit. For example, I want to edit this photo right here. Okay, so here at the tools tab you can see there is an option to spot color. So if you click on this, you can you can select the parts that you want to leave in color only to specific areas. So you can just, for example, I want to leave the tables in color, so it will go like this. And you can also use eraser if you want to, like so. Okay, so you can just choose any part of the photo, for example this one or this green, like this. Okay, so you can just edit it as you can also delete the color or remove the color like this. And if you're done, just click on a check icon. Oops. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.